Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you're a pet trainer and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a simple website for your pet training business. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've registered an account, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. There's currently over 900. We are adding more every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, search for my market, pet trainer. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's start out these out a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your city and your state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your business is located. You can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, multi-sites will automatically generate a website like magic with information you've just popped in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Over here is a short tutorial on how to do various things on your multi-sites platform, on your multi-site website you've just generated. However, I'm going to go ahead and close this because I'm going to be showing you the ropes today myself. Excellent. So now with multi-sites, the beauty of it is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. They're really adorable as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make one or two amendments to the content that was pre-written for you, make it a little bit more personalized to your business. That's so cute. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, and over here I'm going to pop in my email address for my customer's convenience. I'm going to make sure that's visible on my website, so let's go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone numbers click to call, by the way, and your physical location, maybe your mobile, but if you have one, pop it in over here where your website's live. Your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links so you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done that, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once you've uploaded it, you can click on that little pencil, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where we can make our logo bigger and smaller. Now, with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. As you can see, if you'd like to change it to make it go with your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available. You literally don't need to know any color coding. You can scroll through all the color palettes and choose one that suits your business best. Now, for each section, you want to make a little bit more personalized to your business. Click on that update section button underneath it. Underneath update images, where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library, hundreds and hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. Otherwise, you have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. If you have a profile, automatically pull in those images. And update action, we can amend those call to action buttons, the text on them, and where they link to, even uploading a PDF file, which is a great option to upload more details about your rates and services. Maybe you offer different packages. You can put more info in a PDF file and pop it in over there. And the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marti dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain yet, we really recommend you get one for your website to make it look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. You can click that button as well and actually purchase one via the multi-sites platform. Really hope that tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your pet training service. And I'm really wishing you and your business Marti success.